Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can add a text with a background image or illustration to your Wix website project in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your Wix website you'd like to edit. I will go with this one here, that example page. Navigate to the section and start by adding a text mask. To do that, click into that plus element button in the top left. Hover your mouse over text and choose text mask. Next, go with one of these options here. I will go with that customizable one here. Drag it and move it here on your canvas or on the section. Release the left mouse and now you can customize it. For example, and add another or a different image to it. To do that, click into design here and you will see the background image here. So all you need to do, guys, is simply click into change media below the given image. And you will get redirected to the Wix media library. So I will go with, I don't know, any of these, but you can of course upload your own images and photos by using this button. Locate the file on your device. I will go with, I don't know, that one here. Click into change background and you will see the result here. You can also change the opacity if you'd like to make it less visible. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.